How to enable the Windows startup sound. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to enable the Windows startup sound. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin. The very first thing you want to do is open up your settings menu. And for that, you can right click on the Windows icon and then simply head over to settings. And once your settings is open, you want to head over to System and then click on Sounds. So once your sound settings is open, just scroll down a bit until you see this option right here, More Sound Settings. Click on it, and once your More Sound Settings is open, you are going to right click on your speaker, click on its properties, and make sure that the advanced levels are all of these exclusive modes are checked. Click on OK. Then you want to head over to the Sounds tab, and right here at the bottom you will have different options, so you can just test the sound. And you want to enable this option right here, Play Windows Startup Sound. Just check this box, click on Apply, and then OK. And now whenever you restart your window, the Windows Startup Sound will be played. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.